Imagine waking up one morning. You grab your phone, open YouTube, and your heart sinks. Your channel is gone. Or worse, it is filled with strange crypto live streams. Your profile picture is changed. Videos are renamed. Thousands of subscribers are confused, some are angry, and you are just sitting there in shock. This is not just a bad dream. It is exactly what happens to hundreds of creators every single day. And if it has happened to you, take a deep breath, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to recover your channel. No fluff, no technical jargon, just clear step-by-step help that actually works. Whether you are just starting out or have 1 million subscribers, this guide is for you. And if you stay till the end, I will also show you how to escalate your case if you are stuck, and share some powerful tips to protect your channel forever. But how do these hackers actually get in? Let us begin with how this usually happens. Most YouTube channels are not hacked through brute force. They are tricked. You click a link in an email or DM that looks like a brand deal offer. You download what seems to be a PDF or plugin, but it is malware. That malware gives remote access to your system, letting hackers take control of your Google account. Sometimes it is just a weak password, or a password that was already leaked in a previous data breach, and you never changed it. Hackers use leaked databases, phishing links, fake login screens, and screen recorder apps to steal access. Once they're in, they move fast. What do these hackers do next? Once they gain access to your channel, their main goal is profit. They will change your profile photo and channel name to some fake company or crypto brand, start live streams promoting fake giveaways and scam links, replace or delete your videos, add sketchy links in your video descriptions. Sometimes they will even turn on their own two-factor authentication to lock you out completely. It can feel devastating, but you can recover from it if you act fast and smart. Now, what should be your immediate recovery steps? All right, first thing you should do, try the standard forgot password process. Go to your Google account sign-in page, click forgot password, and follow the prompts. If the hacker has not changed your recovery email or phone number yet, you might just get back in quickly. It is a long shot, but worth trying before anything else. If that does not work, move on to the official recovery process. Go to this official YouTube help page. This is where you begin the proper recovery flow. On that page, you will be guided through a series of questions related to your channel and the issue you are facing. These questions might differ slightly for each user depending on your responses. Here's the key. Answer everything as accurately and clearly as possible. Provide your channel link, your associated email, and describe what exactly happened. Once you complete the process, a case will be automatically created on your behalf. You should then receive an email from YouTube support, usually from a @google.com domain. That email is the starting point of your actual case. A human will take over from there. Now, this next part is important. What to do if you do not hear back or get stuck. If you do not get a response within a few days, do not panic. You still have options. Go to Twitter and tweet or message at Team YouTube with your issue. Be respectful but clear. In many cases, Team YouTube may provide you with access to a special form that lets you contact the hijacking recovery team directly. This form is time limited, usually available for only 72 hours. So act quickly when you receive it. Still stuck? Here's your last resort. Head over to the official YouTube Help Community forum. Post your issue in detail. Include your channel name, what happened, what you tried, and what response you got. You can also tag the category as hacked accounts. YouTube product experts, experienced community volunteers often monitor these posts. I know this part feels slow and frustrating, but do not give up. Now, what happens after your case is taken? Once YouTube support starts working on your case, they will first check if your channel was really hacked by looking at different signs. If they confirm it was hacked, they will then verify if you are the real owner. To do this, you will need to answer some questions to prove your ownership. Be honest, accurate, and respond quickly. Once verified, you will get access to your channel back. They can help you reverse changes made by the hacker, like restoring your videos, thumbnails, metadata, and even re-enabling monetization if it was paused. You may also be able to undo changes to two-factor authentication and passwords. Most recoveries take around 3 to 5 business days, but it can vary. Now that you have your channel back, here's the most important part: how to prevent this from ever happening again. Use a strong password, at least 12 characters, mixed symbols, numbers, and letters. Do not reuse passwords across websites. Turn on two-step verification for all Google accounts. Use Google Authenticator or a physical security key instead of SMS codes. Be extremely cautious with files or links from unknown sources. Always verify email addresses before clicking anything that looks like a brand offer. Use a dedicated Google account to manage your YouTube channel. Keep your recovery email and phone number updated. These simple steps can save your entire brand. I know how terrifying it feels to lose control of your YouTube channel. It is not just content. It is your time, your dreams, your community. But I promise you, you are not alone. Thousands have recovered, and you can too. Just follow the process, be patient, and take action today. If this video helped you, consider subscribing so I can keep helping more creators like you. Comment below if you are facing issues or if you got your channel back. I would love to hear your story. And share this with your fellow creators, because one click could save their entire channel. Stay safe, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.